Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by securing the car. Set the parking brake and chock a wheel so nothing moves. Once that's safe, unlock the shift area and remove the small cover that hides the shift lock override. You're doing this because the lock is mechanical or electrical. Exposing the override gives direct access. Now insert the key or flat screwdriver into the slot and be ready to press the brake pedal while you actuate the override. Don't rush this step. With the brake depressed, press into the override slot or button. You'll feel a click as the solenoid or detent disengages. If the car won't accept the override with the key off, turn ignition to accessory, just enough to permit shifting while keeping the brake down. Once you feel release, gently pull the shifter out of park into neutral. Move deliberately to avoid stressing linkage. Make sure the override stays depressed until the shifter clears park. Then hold neutral while you prepare to move the vehicle. After freeing the shifter, keep the brake held, steer, and move the car only to a safe spot. Don't drive long distances with the override trick. Once stopped, set the parking brake and arrange towing or on-site repair. This is a temporary measure to get the vehicle to a shop. If the override doesn't work, check the shift lock fuse or replace the cover mechanism. If electrical faults persist, call a qualified technician. Troubleshooting tip: inspect the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.